All right, hi, we're back. So let's go back and have a look at our model again. So here's our model. What we're going to do now is we're going to have a go at doing two things. One is we're going to make these windows actually see-through, and we're also going to bring in a model for a bed here. So let's start by making this glass actually see-through. So I'm going to double click on our glass wall here, and we're going to select these objects here. We can highlight them, or we can select them by holding down the shift key and select them all. And now we're going to go over to use the paint bucket tool. Again, remember, if you can't find the tool on your left hand toolbar here that you're looking for, just go to the expanded ones here, and here's the paint tool here, paint bucket tool. Now you notice that when you choose the paint bucket tool, immediately it opens up this tab here. What we want to do is we want to go and open up we're going to browse through all of the materials that are available in SketchUp, and in particular what we're interested in is glass and mirrors, and we're just going to choose a really basic glass here, translucent glass blue. We're going to choose that, and we're then going to fill it like that, and so you can now see, we can now see through that glass, right, which is nice. Okay. So next thing, yes, so now we want to import a bed that's going to work for us here, right? So where do you find all of your materials from, or all your components from? You're from the warehouse. We're going to go over to the left hand side here. We're going to click on components, right? And when we do that, you can see here that currently this is the only component, Catherine Johnson, which is the SketchUp lady. What we're going to do is we're going to go over here to search 3D warehouse. Right, and what we want to look for is a bed, right? So let's look for a queen size bed. So all you do is just type in what you're looking for. So queen size bed, and then it'll go and look for all the different beds that are available. Now, here's the really crucial bit, and this is going to either make your life easy and helpful, and it's going to make you have fun in SketchUp, or it's going to have you be really frustrated, right? So what's going to be frustrating is if you choose this 5 megabyte model, right, it's going to be huge, it's going to look amazing, but if you try and change or move anything, it's just going to be really frustrating. So what you want to do is you want to choose a queen size bed, or a bed, or a piece of, or you want to choose a model that's as small as you can get away with while still looking good. So for example, this here looks pretty good. It's 0.16 megabytes as opposed to, what was the other one? Yeah, 5 megabytes, right? So it's a fraction of the size, literally. So I'm going to choose this one here. We're going to download that model, and we're going to slowly but surely bring this into our space. And so we're just going to drop it, let's say there. And so there is our model, right? And so obviously now we need to reposition it. So let's start by turning this off. So we'll go hide again for this window, and we're going to now move it into position. So again, when we do this, what's really handy is to move it from a corner that you know about. So for example, if we go from the corner of that model, we click there, and we can move over to, let's say, there, and now it's in the correct place, and it's all going to look good. Right, so there we go. So that's 2 more tools. Hopefully that's helpful. And in the next one, we'll do some finishing touches by making a deck area and creating a railing for that. That's it. All right, thanks very much.